Hey, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Christmas and Chinese New Year are two different holidays, but they do have something in common. For example, family members will gather together, eat really delicious food, and have a great time. So today we focus on party food, and we are going to make braised pork belly. It's called 红烧肉 in Chinese. It's so famous and delicious that everybody in China knows it. Now I'm gonna show you our special tools for today. We need a pair of glasses and a pair of gloves and a mask. And the last one is the hat. Don't misunderstand me. I'm not going to rob a bank, no. You may look a little bit silly and funny when you wear them at the same time, but they are very useful when I am cooking. And let's get started.
First, we need to prepare a piece of skin on pork belly and cut the green onion and the ginger. Then blanch the pork for a couple minutes to get rid of impurities. Take the pork out of the pot and cool it by cold water.
Everyone's gathering around the fire, chestnuts roasting like a hot July.
Next, we cut the pork into cubes of equal size. Now let's start the cooking process. Add oil, fry the pork over low heat until it is light yellow, take it out. Remember to wear gloves, glasses, and mask. This can protect you from scald. Next is the most important step, melt sugar. You have to keep stirring the sugar until it is red brown. It's gonna take a while, so just be patient. Before adding the pork, put a little bit of water into the pot. It can prevent the sugar from sticking to the pot. Add more water and all the condiments, such as soy sauce, dark soy sauce. You may find them in the local Asian market. Cover and simmer for about 30 minutes until the liquid is almost gone and the pork is tender. Then it's time to enjoy your gorgeous braised pork belly.
You were only 17, looking at your window screen. Sweetest girl I ever.
If you enjoy watching today's video, remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave your comments below. And I'm gonna wish you a very happy Christmas and a Chinese New Year. See you guys soon. Bye.
I am in love with you, Layla. I'm coming up any day now. So much time with the wind.